kiddos, in this video I will be doing your chapter 16 math review with you. So if you want to open up your math books to this chapter 16 review page, it begins on 621, 621. Follow along with me. I will go through all of the questions. I will go over the answers all with you so that this is just a review so that tomorrow when you take your test, you should know just what to do. And don't worry, like I told you yesterday, if you are having a little bit of trouble with the money, because this is just an intro. We just introduce it to you in first grade to start helping you get used to how money works. And once you get to second grade next year, if you have Mrs. Tate or Mrs. Kronberg, they are going to help you master money. So if it's not super duper easy for you right now, that's okay. We haven't been able to spend a whole lot of time on this because our school year kind of got shortened. So we've just given you a nice introduction. So you're going to do your best and we're not going to have any worries, okay? All right, so let's look at number 1. It says find the total. And if you look here, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 coins. And those coins are pennies. So each penny is worth 1 cent. And 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies makes 4 cents. So for number 1, you should circle B, 4 cents. Okay? Now we are going to look at number 2. Number 2 says find the total. This time I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. Those coins are nickels. And we know that a nickel, each one is worth 5 cents. So it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents all together. It's 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, and 5 cents. So we have to count by fives. So we say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. So for number 2, you can circle C. 5 nickels is 25 cents. Now let's take a look at number 3. It says find the total. I have a dime and a dime. Those are each worth 10 cents. And then I have 1, 2, 3 pennies. This is like saying I have 2 tens and 3 ones. So that's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 cents, A for number 3. Looking at number 4, find the total. We have 1, 2, 3 nickels that are each worth 5 cents. And then we have 2 pennies that are each worth 1 cent. So we start out counting by fives and we say 5, 10, 15. Now we can't say 20 because this one is not worth 5. So we go 5, 10, 15, and then we switch to counting by ones and say 16, 17. So we have 17 cents total. So you should circle C, 17 cents. Okay, let's go down now to number 5. It says count by tens to find the total. So looking there, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. So if we count by tens, that's like having 5 tens or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 cents. So C for number 5, 5 dimes is 5 tens or 50 cents. 6 says count on to find the total. So we have 1, 2, 3 tens because those are 3 dimes. So 10, 20, 30. Now, I can't say 40 because that's only 5. So I have to go from 30 to 35. And then 5 more would be 40. So all together we have A, 40 cents. All right, let's go down now to, you will turn the page, the top of the next page here. It says find the total. So this top row, these 4 coins are dimes, and those are each worth 10 cents. So underneath here, you can put 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. In this second row, remember if I'm going fast, pause it. This second row, these are all nickels. Those are each worth 5 cents. So you can write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now to find the total, we're going to count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. But now we have to switch to counting by 5. So we say 45, 50, 55, 60. So our total here is 60 cents. Moving on to number 8, now we have some quarters. Remember, 25 cents each, so 25 plus 25 plus 25. And now I have a dime, which is 10, and a dime, which is 10. So we can count up our quarters. Remember the little jingle, 25, 50, 75. Now I can't say $1 because this is only 10, so I go 75, 85, 95. So I have 95 cents total. 95. Okay, going down to number 9. Which amount does not equal $1? So remember, $1 is 100 cents. So we need to figure out which of these is not 100 cents. Well, we know that 4 quarters is $1 because our jingle says 25, 50, 75, $1. If we have 10 dimes, that means we count by tens 10 times. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 cents. So that's $1. Here, if I have 2 quarters and 10 nickels, well, 2 quarters would be 50 cents. And then if I count on by fives 10 times, that would be 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that's $1. And then D says 2 nickels and 8 dimes. Well, 2 nickels would be 10 cents. And then 8 dimes would be 80 cents. So 80 plus 10 would be 90 cents, which is not 100. So D is not equal to $1. It's only 90 cents. Moving on to number 10, it says select 2 groups that have a value of 50 cents. So we're going to have 2 answers here. So if I have 5 nickels, I count by fives 5 times. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. So that's not 50. If I have 5 dimes, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that works. If I have 2 quarters, that's 25, 50. So that works. And then if I have 4 nickels and 1 dime, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 cents. So that doesn't work. So you're going to circle B and C for that one. And looking down at number 11, Sam has 2 quarters and 1 nickel. So he has 55 cents. And Rowan has 1 dime and 6 nickels. So he has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 cents. Who has 55 cents? Sam has 55 cents. You can write Sam on the line. And the last one says pick 2 that equal $1. Well, 9 dimes would be 90 cents plus 2 nickels would be 10 more. So that one equals $1. 5 dimes would only be 50 cents, and then a quarter more would only be 75, so that doesn't work. 3 quarters would be 25, 50, 75, but then if we added a dime, that would only be 85, so that doesn't work. 2 quarters is 50 cents, plus 5 dimes is 50 cents, which equals $1. So A and D for number 12. All right, boys and girls, that completes our review. So make sure that you go over these questions tonight so that tomorrow when you take your test, you are ready to go. See you later.